Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are here with another alternate card for the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Celebrating in Color. I'm going to use the same setup as for one of the cards, but I'm going to add items from the Forever Fern set to do some decoration above and below. To make sure that I'm not going to be stamping where it can be seen through the cutout, I've used a pencil and just done a line around the outside so that I know I can't stamp within that area, and then I'll just erase it when I'm finished. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to do some Parakeet Party. I'm going to do some leaves in the Parakeet Party, and I'm doing this on the fly. I have no idea what it's going to turn out like, but I'm almost thinking I want to do second value. So I've stamped away. No, I think I'm going to do full value. So I'm going to put a stamp there, and I've already gone over my line. So there we go. I'm going to do a stamp there, and I'm going to do another one over here like this. And then I'm going to come down into the bottom and do a couple of leaves in the bottom. And maybe I'll do another one like that. Okay. So not entirely sure what I'm going to do about that little oopsie there, but we'll sort it out later. And then I'm going to take, I did that in the Parakeet Party, I'm going to take these larger flowers, or kind of the buds, and I'm going to do them in Sweet Sorbet. Now, being sure to just touch that outside of there, and I'm going to do another one over here. And I'm going to do one at the bottom, but I'm going to mask it off so that I absolutely don't go over that spot. So there we go, just like that. Okay, so let's see what this looks like now when I overlay it. First thing I need to do is I need to erase my pencil marks, because we don't need the pencil marks showing. So there we go, pencil marks are all erased. And then I can lay this over top like this. And we are indeed going to see that coming through there. Not entirely sure what I can do about that. So it's just going to stay there for now. So let's glue this down while I have a think about what I'm going to do about that little oops. So I'm just using my Stampin' Seal. And I'm going to add some to the middle there because that kind of poked up in the actual samples. Okay, so I am going to make sure I have this lined up and pop it down like that. Okay, sorry if my hair was in the frame there. So now I need to add the rest of the greeting. I used the Forever Fern. There's a greeting, there's a saying here, you can do this. The U is already there, so I just inked up the can do this part of the stamp and stamped it down on one of the pieces from the kit. And I am going to use my small dimensionals that came with the kit. And I'm going to do that. And I think I'm going to add a bit of bling to the card and maybe hide that little piece that I goofed up. So I'm going to just tap that down, make sure it's straight, and I put it on where the gold ribbon is in behind. So let me just reach into my bin of bits here, and I do have some of these brushed metallic adhesive backed dots. So let's see what kind of magic we can do with these to perhaps hide the fact that I made a mistake. So we're going to take one of these and we're going to pop it right in there like that. So that covers up that oops right there. And then we're going to pop another one down there like that. And it's always nice to do these in threes, so I'm going to pop another one down there. So, wouldn't have needed the bling so much if I hadn't have made a mistake up at the top there. But it's everything is fixable. So there is another alternate card of encouragement using elements from the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit and adding in some brushed metallic adhesive dots and using pieces from the Forever Fern set. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate cards.